Hello students, I welcome you all in my class. Today I am going to find the derivative of a function in parametric form. First I am going to discuss about the parametric form. What is the parametric form? In parametric form, if the two different variables are connected to another third variable, then we say that this type of function are called the parametric form. Suppose x is equal to a cos theta, and y is equal to b sin theta. Here x is variable and theta is also variable, and y is variable and theta is variable. Here we have three types of variable here. One is x, this is y is variable, and here this variable theta is also the variable. This is the third type of variable. Here x is related with theta, and y is also related with theta. Here x is related with theta and y is related with theta. This type of function are called in the parametric form. Here I am going to find the derivative of this type of functions. If x equal to a cos theta, y equal to b sin theta, how can we find dy dx? dy dx equal to question mark. Here x equal to a cos theta. First I will find dx d theta. Here x is related with theta. And y is related with theta. First I am going to find dx d theta from this function and dy d theta from this function. So I am going to find dx d theta. Here I am going to differentiate this function with respect to theta. Dx d theta is equal to minus a sin theta. Differentiation of a cos theta is equal to minus a sin theta, and y equal to b sin theta. I am going to find here dy d theta. Differentiate this function with respect to theta. dy d theta is equal to b cos theta. So how can we find the value of dy dx? Here dy d theta is equal to this and dx d theta is equal to this. If we will divide dy d theta by dx d theta, we will get dy dx. If we will divide dy d theta by dx d theta, so we can write dy dx is like this: dy d theta upon dx d theta. dy d theta upon dx d theta. dy dx equal to dy d theta upon dx d theta. Here the value of dy d theta is what? B cos theta. The value of dy d theta is b cos theta. B cos theta upon the value of dx d theta is what? The value of dx d theta is minus a sin theta. Now it can be written as minus b upon a cot theta. Here this is the derivative of x equal to a cos theta and y equal to b sin theta. This is the value of dy dx. Okay. Now I am taking another example. If x equal to x is equal to a cot theta, and y is equal to b tan theta. Children, can you find dy dx? Yes. Here, this is the parametric form because one variable is x, another variable is y. Here, x is related with theta and y is also related with theta. Theta is the third variable. Theta is the third variable. First, I will find dx d theta. First, I will find dx d theta. Dx d theta is equal to what? Minus the differentiation of cot theta is equal to what? Differentiation of cot theta is minus a cosec square theta, and d by d theta is equal to what? D by d theta is equal to b sec square theta. So can you find d by dx, children? d by dx is equal to d by d theta upon dx d theta. Dx d theta. The value of d by d theta is here b sec square theta upon minus a cosec square theta. This is the derivative of this parametric functions. Derivative of function in parametric form. X equal to a cot theta, y equal to b tan theta. The derivative of this function is equal to b sec square theta upon minus a cosec square theta. Okay, children. Thank you so much.